Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another video. Today we are on beautiful Lake of the Woods out of Warroad, Minnesota, and we're chasing big pike today. We're out on a reef. We're probably set up in 19 over here. We're gonna do a line of tip-ups that way in like 19, and then a line of tip-ups in here in like 21. So we're in a little rock reef. We've had luck here in the past, so we're gonna start here for today, and then if nothing's going on, we're gonna move spots, maybe in a little shallower. But yeah, we're excited to be back. It's been real cold for 2.5 weeks, so we haven't really gotten much fishing content out there. We have been fishing, but it's just such a negative bite that we haven't been able to produce enough fishing for a video. So we are super pumped that it's warming up. It's like 12 degrees right now, which is 30 degrees warmer than it's been for the last 2.5 weeks. So very excited. I'll shut up. Let's get the flags flying.
It was running as soon as I got here, but then it stopped. Give it some time.
Is he there?
He was. I felt him boom, boom. Yeah.
I just turned it off. That's just a sucker.
Dude, that felt heavier than I thought.
You just pulled a Carter! Holy crap.
We'll do it again.
Just keep doing that. Yep. That's how you're gonna make
Somebody want to grab the fish?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
There's the bottom stop. One of those feet.
How's it feel?
Feels good, but also it's gonna light. Take a run before it gets to
The water's going.
The water's moving.
Take it easy.
It kind of looked that way when you were reeling it up, not gonna lie. I was gonna say that.
I can't tell which way is back and which way is forward.
Hoping maybe. I watched the thing go up as soon as I looked up too. Is that gonna be enough?
Pull tight.
He's not coming off. He has 2 hooks inside of his belly.
Look down there again. Sure. You get to run?
Yeah. I don't know how we're gonna get this fish up.
Don't keep your coat wet. Well, at least someone's getting some action. He's an HVAC guy.
Yeah, that might shock you, dude.
Crazy bite.
Good looking pike there.
First fish of the day.
Is
30, 34? No, you gotta go all the way. You're not even at the 35.
Damn, that's
Bottom
a nice
of the
fish, Carter.
I'm cold.
Alright, put him back. Let's get the release. Right in the eyes.
Alright guys, we just got our first fish there. Carter got the fish. We had one dead flag right away this morning. As you can see on our tape measure, something a little funny going on. Carter has no idea yet.
I cut, not yet. I cut about 5 inches off the tape measure. So his fish is way longer than he thought it was gonna be, but he doesn't know, so we're gonna keep going with it all day. Alright guys, we just got back in the truck. Carter did catch a nice fish, so how'd that feel, Carter?
It was really slow this morning, but that fish kind of did it for me, honestly. It felt good. When I got out there first, it was froze, broke open. Line just started peeling right away. It was fun to watch. Could have hooked it better, but doesn't matter. We got it up. Nice 35-inch. It was great. I loved it. The fight was awesome. Right? Huh?
That was bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it was bigger than I thought. I thought it was gonna be kind of small, but it was a fun fish.
Love to hear it, and it went back healthy, so that's good. So we're gonna sit here for quite some time and see if we don't have any more flags. Stay tuned. Hey Josh!
Yeah?
You're really doing good out there.
Someone's got to do it.
Were you helping?
Huh?
Were you helping cook?
No, I was fishing. Chef Boyard Josh don't need no help.
True.
This week on
Not
Chef Josh, he's cooking brats.
We're making some skinless brats. Never heard of them, but we're giving him a shot. How's he do it? He won't tell me. The secret we'll never know. They got a little extra crispy, but what do you do?
Chef Boyard Josh with the plate again.
Did you pick up what came out of my butt earlier?
Looks like corn on the outside.
Dude,
look at that.
It's
don't knock it till you try it.
It's the fall season rolling around. There's a lot of corn to go around. Trying to support the farmers, and you know.
You know what? Just give me all this. Ungrateful bastards, every one of you.
Oh, I got the buns.
Okay, you're gonna make a mess in your own truck. I'm not taking blame for that. That was rude.
Hey,
first of all.
Marcus, can you make me a plate?
No. You.
Gone.
No.
Oh, look who decided to show. I thought it was too comfy in there.
Yeah, it was until I seen him set the hook. Robber's stop just slipped a little bit.
You're gonna have to. There we go. Finally invested in it. Nice.
Oh, there's some pushing water.
Scoop. We need a scoop. Scoop.
Is it ugly?
No. Hold it. Hold tight pressure.
Yeah, I am. You gonna reach in, dude?
Are you gonna be able to?
It's a big fish. I'm not kidding you.
Are you gonna be able to reach it? Somebody get this shit!
Is he hooked bad?
No, it just got. I couldn't get his head up.
Just
I couldn't
take it
back
slow.
him up enough.
Yep.
All right, he's here again. Just hold on.
Yep.
Might be able to get him this time. All right, you hold pressure.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, he bit me.
Give you a flex, Marcus.
Is this head up yet?
Oh, here we go.
Oh god.
That's 40. That's 40, Carter.
Oh my god, that's 40, bro.
That's 40 inches, Carter.
Oh, yes. Let's get a good measurement on him.
All right, give him a dunk quick. Let him breathe.
Oh, okay. Let's get a measurement.
All right, hold on. What do we got?
40 inches.
41. 41.
Wait, no, close him out. Close him out.
Go on the other side of the tail.
Close him out.
It's 40 inches.
I told you, Carter.
Nice fish.
Nice work.
Go! Go.
I kind of want to keep him.
You're gonna melt him?
Dude, I don't know. I really want to. When's the next time I'm going to catch this beauty of a fish, dude?
That's a good question.
Let's get a good look at it here, Carter.
All right, Carter, how big is that fish?
40 inches. One last look before we go. Beauty.
Ready to go.
Nice catch, brother.
Woo!
So you know that prank that Hunter was talking about?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you see it?
Shut the up.
Do you see it?
That wasn't 40 inches.
We felt so bad we had to tell you.
So what was that?
You were so
that was
excited,
35.
Carter. I feel
That-
horrible.
that was
Which is still,
35.
that's still a really
Oh,
nice
okay.
fish.
But we got cut 5 inches off the tape and I JB welded it together.
Dude. When did you guys do this?
I did it the other day.
We're sorry, Carter.
Was it funny?
It was pretty
Is
funny.
it funny?
Oh, I hope that's in the video.
Oh, it's gonna be. That's gonna be the whole video.
See that?
Could be your minnow. Make sure you feel weight. Slowly just lift up.
All this work for nothing.
Well, we haven't got to use it on a pike yet, so Carter, open up.
You fucking jammed it in my tooth.
Show me what you got there, Marcus.
This here is a jaw spreader for Pike and for Carter when he's not behaving.
Marcus, what do we got here? Is this your to-go bag?
This is my to-go bag. So in here we got a little tape measure. One with the actual lengths. We have a whole scoop, a ply guy, a scale, a jaw spreader, nudie mag, nudie mags. You know, the usual that you have in your to-go box to the tip up. You know, we're really trying to practice safe care of these fish. Want to get them up, have a good time, and then released. So, got probably a half hour left. Hoping to get at least one flag, one more fish. It's been piss poor today.
Alright guys, so we're just packing up the casino. We're headed out tonight, so we're making our last go around to make sure we got everything, and we're headed out. So it's about a 3.5 hour drive home, so it was a pretty good weekend. We didn't do too bad, but we're gonna head home. So peace. Wait, Marcus.
Hey,
What
leave
are
me
you
alone.
doing?
Leave me alone. I'm doing my alone time.
I guess Marcus is staying. Peace.